Good morning everyone, today we're going to be looking at another Fossil watch. We're going to be looking at one of the Briggs chronograph today. So looking at the tin, it's a standard sort of metal tin with a sort of racing pedigree finish on the side there, with obviously the flags, obviously some of it's been dented in the post I think. A nice sort of checkered flag finish on the side, nice glossy finish, really nice. Overall different tins from Fossil, they just completely unique. Depends on the sort of the model you're going for. Inside, usually the manual does jump out at you straight away. Watch is housed in a simple little bit of sort of plastic bag. Really, hate it when they put plastic bags inside of things. So here we go, guys. This is the Fossil Briggs chronograph 42mm. It has an £85 retail price, probably weighs around about 125, 150 grams, and I couldn't tell you the movement, it just uses a quartz movement. Coming down to the actual face, we've got a sunray blue dial, as you can see there, with fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments, and a nice sort of chronograph with 24-hour readout, and a date dial between the 4 and 5 PM. The actual watch gives depth because it's got like this indented interior bezel, if you like, inside here, with the sort of markings of the face and finish. Out at the bezel, you get a nice unidirectional Submariner style bezel, which defeats the sort of the object really of having this style watch. Obviously with the chronograph. You also get 100-meter wall resistance with this watch, and a nice matte finish on those outside rings of the chronograph. Coming down to the casing, we've got a nice brush finish on the actual casing, including a sunray brush finish on the actual chronograph, as you can see here. Let's have a look at that chronograph now. Yes, you can just see that little chronograph hand moving just inside there. Got a nice firm click down movement there, nice good amount of feedback. And it's a simple wind back function as well. Let's have a look at the crown. Crown is housed in a nice bit of crown protection. A nice firm movement to it. Could be a little bit stronger. No, it doesn't. It's fine as it is. I think this is probably just right for a watch. First position. It's got a nice flourish when that date dial changes. Really nice date dial. It's like a magical turn. Quickly snaps into date. Coming down to the strap, we've got a 22mm style strap, adjustable by little tiny pins on the side there. Two sort of effects. So you've got a brush finish on the outside, a chrome finish on the inside. Coming down to the actual the buckle, you've got an actual clasp here with a single button to deploy it rather than a sort of a flap or two push buttons. Bit of a unique touch to this, just a single button revealing a nice sort of stainless steel interior component with a bit more of a sort of marking on it as well. Plenty of room for adjustment on the actual clasp as well. A plain mirror finish on the back plate as well. That's a simple screw down crown, just a few more markings on the back there if you're interested in seeing those. There it is. That is the Fossil Briggs chronograph 42mm.